Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and this is the Thedivaden, where I like to talk all things home related. I can't believe the year is half over. It's already July and I'm already going to be talking about June favorites. I don't know where the time is going. It's flying by this year. It's just been crazy. Lots of things happening and it's already half over, and before you know it, we'll be preparing for Christmas. But we're not going to go there. I'm not ready for it. I love the summer, so as much as I love Christmas, I love the summer. So as I mentioned, I'm going to be discussing my June favorites. So I have, as always, I have a little bit of everything. I have some makeup, I have some hair products, and some cleaning products, and yeah. So let's jump right into it. The first two products I'm going to discuss are foundations. I've seen quite a few reviews on YouTube, on Instagram, and another YouTuber that I watch, Rachel Evolved. I'll leave her channel below. She's great. You got to check out her channel. She does great product reviews. And of course, there's other ones out there that do it as well. And I love watching them. And you know, I'm always curious to see what other people are using. So she had recommended a Too Faced foundation to me. So when I went to Sephora, I got the wrong one, but that she had recommended. But the young lady suggested this one for me for more mature skin. And anyways, I've been loving it. I really do love it. It's the Too Faced Born This Way. And it's a medium to full coverage. And I really do love the way it looks on my skin. I am wearing the color, let me put my glasses on. I wear the color Pearl. It's an interesting, I would always think that if I had seen Pearl, I would have thought it would have been, you know, sparkly or luminescent or something, but it's not. It's a lovely foundation, and it really does do a nice job covering. I usually use a medium foundation anyways, not really full coverage, but it does say it can go medium to full. So I've been loving this one. Next foundation, I don't have the bottle because I got a sample of it. I was walking through a department store and I had heard about this foundation again from a bunch of YouTubers that I followed. And I thought, I'll just check it out, see what it's like. And it's Clinique, the Conceal and Correct foundation, I believe it's called. Love it. But the girl was nice enough, she color matched me and she gave me a sample size. So I don't have the bottle to show you. But she gave me a lot, and a little of this foundation goes a long way. Again, it's a medium to full coverage, and she gave me, I think, the number 6 Ivory, and love this foundation. Oh my gosh, it feels so good on your skin. It just glides, and a little bit goes a long way. So I've been loving this, and I will, when this sample is done, because I go between the two foundations. Sometimes I mix them. I go between them, so this is going to last me quite a while. Like she filled this up. I don't know if you can see it, but love this. So it's the Clinique Conceal and Correct foundation. Still on the beauty trend. The next thing I've been loving for June is the Tarte Rainforest Concealer in this pretty bottle. It's so pretty. I love the lid. It's so pretty. This concealer, love it. It really does a great job of hiding these terrible dark circles I suffer from. But it really is a great concealer. I love it. It's very smooth. It blends out beautifully. So it's the Tarte Rainforest by the Sea, I think it's called, foundation. Love this. Now the last beauty product I have, last beauty product is one that I've heard about for a long time on YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, and I guess I never really got into the bronzer phase, but I decided to try it because I was at my drugstore and it was on sale. And you know me, it's on sale. Anyways, it is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And I do like it. I don't know if I use it correctly. I try to follow instructions, but I put this on before my blush and then I kind of blend them out together. And I do like the color and just the way it makes, just brightens up my face a little bit, gives it a bit more color. I can be quite pale. So I do love this, and as they say, it does smell nice. It smells like you're at the ocean or something, you know, I love that smell of like the suntan and being at the beach and that kind of stuff. So I love that smell, and that's what it reminds me of. Now the next item I have, I guess you could call it a beauty item. It's not makeup. It's this little gadget here. Don't know if you can see it, but it's the Amope, A-M-O-P-E, Amope foot file. And I love, you know, wearing sandals in the summer and flip-flops, but your feet can get kind of icky and you like to have nice soft feet for the summer in these cute shoes that you can wear. And this little foot file, you just turn it on and this part rotates and you rub it along the dead skin areas, and it really does take it off and makes your feet nice and smooth. So when you put your cream on, you've got gorgeous feet for the summer. So this Amope foot file, love it. Love it, love it. It really does work well, and your feet look beautiful after. So the last item in my beauty section would be a hair product that I've been loving. And it's the Moroccan oil, and it's a root booster spray. It is Root Boost Volumizer for fine to medium hair. I use it when my hair is wet, so when I'm blow drying it, but you would just spray it at the roots, and I rub it in a little bit. So when you're blow drying, you can get a bit of a nicer lift on it, on your hair. And of course, Moroccan oil, everybody knows this product. It smells so good, and it can be a little bit pricey, so I tend to use it sparingly, and I don't use it every day, but on the days when I feel my hair needs a little bit of extra oomph, I will use this Moroccan oil root boost, and it's really, really good. Okay, so we'll move on to the cleaning area, and there's two products here that I have really been loving. I don't tend to change up my cleaning supplies all that much. Every once in a while I might throw something new in there, and these are two that one I use, but it's the new scent and that I've been loving, and it's these Lysol, look at that big old tub, the Lysol disinfectant wipes, and this is in the glasses Sun-Kissed Linen scent, Sun-Kissed Linen. It so smells like summertime. It actually smells more like strawberries and raspberries. It's got a very fresh scent. So I've been loving cleaning with these, and look at this big old tub. It's huge. But the scent is so nice. You almost don't feel like you're using anything disinfecting. It's, oh, like even the smell right now, it's so nice. It just smells so summertime. It just smells like berries. I'm surprised it's called Sun-Kissed Linen because it smells like berries. So I've been loving using these to clean around the house. The last cleaning product, and I think again it was in my May favorites, I talked about a new dish soap that I had found that was along the lines of being eco-friendly and all that good stuff. So when I was out shopping recently, I decided to try their all-purpose cleaner, the Boulder Clean. Can you see that? And it's in the same scent as I got my dish soap. And it's really, really nice. The scent rivals the Caldrea Tangelo Palm or something like that. It still smells wonderful when you spray it on, and it does a great job cleaning up the counters and surfaces. And it's a fraction of the price of the Caldrea. So I've really loved using this Boulder Clean all-purpose cleaner. That's pretty well it for my June favorites. The last thing are these earrings I got. I don't know if you can see them. I've been loving these. They're just so fun. Walmart, $2.88. Well, that's it. Those are my June favorites. A few new foundations, something to keep my feet looking nice, my hair, clean my house with, all kinds of different things. And I hope you maybe got some inspiration to try one of those products, or you know, maybe you're already using them. I'd love to know in the comments below if you found a favorite for June that you would like to share with everybody. I love knowing what other people are using, either makeup wise, cleaning, for their hair. I love to know what others use, because that's how I get to know about different things and want to try them, is recommendations from other people. So I hope you found something here that inspired you to go try, and love to have you join. If you hit that red button below and subscribe, love to have you join me each week. And if you hit the little bell, what that does is let you know when I post a new video. You don't have to do that if you don't want, but you can if you want. And maybe give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and leave me a comment on what you're using and loving for June. So until next time, guys, I hope you have a fabulous week. Bye, you guys.